एक कहावत जो भारत देश में बहुत प्रचलित है। आप सभी ने अपने बड़ों से उसे कभी न कभी अवश्य सुना होगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। अरे अरे, खराब नहीं, बनोगे नवाब ही। चूँकि भारत कृषि प्रधान देश होने के कारण माता पिता पढ़ने की अनुमति तो देते हैं, परंतु खेलना उन्हें गवारा नहीं। पैसों की कमी और महंगी शिक्षा के चलते लोग समझ ही नहीं पाए कि उच्च शिक्षा ग्रहण कर बच्चे कृषि को ही उत्तम उद्योग के रूप में उपयोग कर सकते हैं, नई नई तकनीकों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। आज भी भारत में खेलों को उतनी वरीयता नहीं दी जाती। माता पिता बच्चों के भविष्य को लेकर चिंतित रहते हैं, जिसके चलते शिक्षा को ही महत्व दिया जाता है। कहीं न कहीं ये बात सभी के मन में है कि खेलों से परिवार का भरण पोषण कैसे होगा। इसी कारण माता पिता अपने बच्चों को इंजीनियर, वकील, डॉक्टर बनाना पसंद करते हैं और परिणाम स्वरूप एक होनहार खिलाड़ी न चाहते हुए भी खेलों को छोड़ देता है। धोनी अनटोल्ड स्टोरी फिल्म इस बात की गवाही देती है कि कैसे केवल नौकरी की चाहत ही माता पिता के लिए सब कुछ होती है। यहाँ हम कह सकते हैं कि इन सब के लिए समाज की सोच ही नहीं, बल्कि शिक्षा का अभाव एवं अधूरी जानकारियाँ भी उतनी ही जिम्मेदार है। परंतु अब धीरे धीरे सोच बदलने लगी है। खेलों में भी बच्चों का उज्जवल भविष्य है। वर्तमान में हुए ओलंपिक खेलों व भारत की सफलता ने लोगों की सोच को बदलने का कार्य किया है। खेलों के माध्यम से भी देश का नाम ऊंचा किया जाता है। हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने ओलंपिक खेलों का जिक्र करते हुए कहा है, टोक्यो ओलंपिक में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों को तिरंगा लेकर चलता देखकर मैं ही नहीं पूरा देश रोमांचित हुआ था। एक बात और, अपनी योग्यता का भरपूर प्रयोग कर जो खिलाड़ी आगे बढ़ता है उनका पूरा खर्च सरकार द्वारा उठाया जाता है। इसलिए अब हम यह कह सकते हैं, खेलेंगे कूदेंगे तो भी बनेंगे नवाब और महान। धन्यवाद।
In the long run, I believe that honesty is definitely the best policy. One can get away by being dishonest for a short time, but ultimately, honesty is what pays.
If I have to do something and I have enough passion, I generally succeed.
Confidence is very important, even pretending to be confident. If you make a mistake but do not let your opponent see what you are thinking, he may overlook the mistake.
One needs to plan precisely to be at the peak form during the Olympics. One can't make the mistake of reaching the peak a week earlier or a week later.
It is not my country to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead.
When people throw stones at you, you turn them into milestones. Thank you.
If you want to achieve something in your life, you have to take risks.
Some people say boxing is for men, not for women. I thought I will show them someday. I promised myself and proved myself.
I have only one talent. I can work harder than anyone else.
I don't play to prove my point to anyone. I play for my country and myself. If I feel I have the ability to achieve something, I will keep trying to succeed.
I would not stop until I had filled up a bucket with my sweat. I would push myself so much that in the end I would collapse and I would have to be admitted to hospital. I would pray to God to save me, promise that I would be more careful in future, and then I would do it all over again.
Vishwajit Singh wishes Annie Besant family and others a happy National Sports Day. In this pandemic, let's follow an active lifestyle through sports.
I, Gaurav Rana, wishes Annie Besant family and others a happy National Sports Day. The only thing which can revive you from maximum situations is sports.
I am Mohit Jagtap, wishes Annie Besant family and all others to Happy National Day. In the occasion of National Day, we celebrate our National Sports Day and a freedom to sports. So I request you, please participate in all games happily and freely. Thank you.
I, Jashit Kale, wish the Annie Besant family a very happy National Sports Day. Generally, people correlate sports with fun, fitness, and in modern times as a career option. But it isn't just that. It builds character, promotes brotherhood, friendliness, and acts as an instrument of peace. With this, I encourage participation of each one of us in sports. And I wish you all a very happy National Sports Day.
What people usually think about sports is that it's just an entertainment factor. But don't you think so? It is a universal language that spans all the boundaries and centuries, connecting all the people as one in harmony, peace, persistence, and ambition. With this thought, I, Niyati Patel, wishes Annie Besant family and all of you a very happy National Sports Day. Keep playing, keep growing.
I, Karthik Mankani of 11th Commerce, wishes you, Annie Besant family and others a very happy National Sports Day. Sports play an important role in our life, not only in fitness but brings discipline and strength in our decisions. It teaches us some life lessons such as teamwork, self-confidence, accountability. A very happy National Sports Day to you. Keep playing, be healthy, be fit.
I, Keshav Vishwakarma, wishes Annie Besant family and others a very happy National Sports Day. Sports plays an important role in each and every person's life. It is not for fitness purpose only. It enhances our decision-making power and strengthens our leadership qualities. So I wish you a happy National Sports Day. Thank you.